Our new sight word today is the word me. We've heard it already because in our sight word song for I, it says capital I spells I and I is about me, M-E. So we'll listen to that song one more time today, but we'll use our new me card. We'll review the words we've learned, write a sentence, and then you will write on your me sight word practice worksheet. So hopefully I go fast today where I can demonstrate it. You guys are experts by now. I'm sure you know how to do it. Okay, let's go over our daily learning objective, our DLO for me. Today I will read and write the sight word me. Now it's your turn. Today I will read and write the sight word me. Sorry, I said that really fast for you guys. Okay, me. It's only got 2 letters. This is an example of open syllable because E says its name. So M-E, but if I were to sound it out, that wouldn't work because it's not eh. The door is open, just like when we do our chip kit. When the door is closed, the vowel sound is short. I have another poster, I can't find it, but there's another poster where the vowel is tall because he's long, and the door is open. So if it's open syllable, the E can walk, go E, because I have no other consonant sound after it to stop me from saying E. Anyways, that's just a little side note. Let's spell it and read it 3 times. I'll go first. M-E, me. Now it's your turn. Say it with me 3 times. M-E, me. M-E, me. One more. M-E, me. So this one I could sound out. M-E, me. So it's not a true sight word, but that's okay. Let's go over our song and sing a couple of them if we've got time.
Capital I spells I and I is about me. M-E. Capital I spells I and I is about me. M-E. Capital I is a letter and a word that's about me. Capital I spells I and I is about me. M-E. I use sentences all the time that start with I. I like the stars, I like to watch them in the sky. I means the same as me, it has 1 letter, look and see. Capital I spells I and I is about me. M-E. Capital I spells I and I is about me. M-E. Capital I spells I and I is about me. M-E. Capital I is a letter and a word that's about me. Capital I spells I and I is about me. M-E.
Good job. Okay, I'll put I up here. I'll put me up here. Our sight word from yesterday and the day before was come. Let's spell it and read it 2 times. C-O-M-E. Come. One more. C-O-M-E. Come. Now let's listen to the song. And our bonus word, some and come. Some and come, because they're in the same song.
C-O-M-E, come, come play ball with me. C-O-M-E, come, come and climb a tree. Change the C to S, then come turns into some. Change the C to S, and come turns into some. S-O-M-E, some kids are having fun. S-O-M-E, some means more than one.
Bonus word. Come. What's the word? How do we spell it? A. What's the word? We. How do we spell it? W-E. We. What's the word? Like. How do we spell it? L-I-K-E. Like. L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi-ho, did you know? L-I-K-E spells like, what's the word? The. Let's spell it. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. T-H-E. That's how to spell the, you see. What's the word? And. Let's spell it. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. I can spell and. What's the word? See. Let's spell it. S-E-E. See. This is also an open syllable, just like me, see, because there's no consonant to make the vowel sound short, so the vowel sound is long. See. Anyway. What's the word? To. Let's spell it. T-O. To. This does not follow the open syllable pattern because it doesn't say its name. O says ooh. Right here, to. Anyways. Okie dokie. Let's write our sentence. Our sentence today for our sight word practice, you'll copy my sentence today, and then tomorrow in your writing journal, you will get to write your sentence with the sentence stem that I have. Okay, let me get my blue. I picked blue today. Our sentence is, come to the park with me, and we'll use an exclamation mark as our punctuation today, because if you're really excited to go, no, we're not going to do park, we're going to do recess. We're going to do come to recess with me. Come to recess with me. I want to do park tomorrow. That's why. When we end our sentences or our question, we must have punctuation. Say period, exclamation point, question mark. If we just have something to say, we'll just use a period, just a regular statement. If we're excited, exclamation point. If we're asking a question, we write a question mark. Today we're going to use exclamation point because we're excited. Come to recess with me. All right. When we start our sentences, we start at the top on the left. We always begin our sentences with a capital letter. Next week, you're going to tell me where the capital letter is. It's at the beginning. Okay, here we go. I need my sight word come, but here it's a lowercase letter. I'm starting it at the beginning of my sentence, so I need the C to be capital, which we already know because we've done C. Katina cat. Capital C. Around. Up. C. What comes next? How do I spell come? C-O-M. E. Over, up, and around. Come to, how do I spell to? T-O. Don't forget your finger space. Come to, T-O, finger space. Recess. That's R. E says E. Cess. C is special here. It actually says recess. E S S. Come to recess. I ran out of room. What should I do? Go to the next line. Let's read what we have so far. Come to recess with. With is W I, down dot, T H. H is tall, down, hump. Come to recess with me. How do I spell me? M-E. Finger space. M, down, hump, hump. Come to recess with me. M-E, over, up, and around. Now I'm excited. Come to recess with me. What punctuation do we use when we are excited? Exclamation point. Okay, exclamation point. Down, stop, period. Come to recess with me. Let's read it, and then I'll go over the sight word practice page, which I have time to do. Read it with me. Come to recess with me. Pause. You'll pause the video there so you can copy the sentence on your page. When you get your packet, don't forget to tear it off. I need my clip. Here's a good one. We need closer. You guys can't see that hardly. First thing I need to do is write my name. Mrs. Hawkins. My clippy is in the way. Hawkins. Mrs. Hawkins. Trace it. Down, hump, hump. E, over, up, and around. When you do your lowercase m, it's down, hump, hump. Don't go down, pick it up, pick it up. That's not how we do it. Because like I said before, a lot of the letters that we're not supposed to pick up is when you learn how to write cursive, M is down, hump, hump. That's why we don't pick our pencils up on certain letters. Write it. You're going to write it 2 times because it'll fit 2 times. M, E, me, finger space. M, E, me. You might be able to squeeze it in one more time, but just do it 2 times. Build it. Get your scissors. Cut all the way across. Don't forget to cut the frame. Cut, cut, cut. Throw your scraps. I need 2 letters, M and E. I see they're on this side, so I'm going to cut these ones off. Throw those ones away, don't need them. M is first. Give it a slice. Let's see. I need a little bit of glue. Remember, we just pushed it up just a smidgy bit. Oops, I don't want to do it on my board. Give it a little smear, a little smudge. M goes first. The next letter I need is E. Trim it. I gotta get it up where you can see. Don't forget to pick your scraps up off the floor if they fall and throw them away. Flip it over, give it a little smudge. Stick it on. I built it. Me. M-E. Find it. Me, 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 me. Reminds me of Sound of Music. Do, re, mi. Anyways. Sentence. Come to recess with me. C-O-M-E. Come play ball with me. Come, finger space, to, finger space, recess, R-E-C-E-S-S. Come to recess, finger space, with, W-I-T-H. Do I have room for me? No, I don't. What do I need to do? Go to the next line. Come to recess with me. How do I spell me? M-E. Exclamation point. Now it's your turn. Here's our new word, me. Let's spell it and read it 1 time. M-E, me. Go ahead and get your worksheet done.